When you're here, you're family. Wait. That's the wrong slogan. Hang on. Let me explain a little bit more. I'm Ricky, and welcome to a Disney World After All mini-sode number 29. Okay, so you may be wondering why I'm wearing the Fast and Furious hat, and if you're curious and you haven't been paying to social media at all over both the weekend as well as today, you will have missed the big news, and that is the fact that a brand new Fast and Furious attraction is coming to Universal Orlando Resort in 2027. So, what is this new attraction? Well, in case you couldn't really tell, it's based on Fast and Furious, and it's going to be a roller coaster called Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. Now, this is going to be an outdoor roller coaster, and like I said, it will debut in 2027. So we won't get the coaster this year. We're gonna have to wait a little bit, but that's gonna be okay. I think it's gonna be worth it. I think so. So let's wait. Let's find out why. Okay, so it's gonna be a high-speed attraction that's going to bring the adrenaline pumping world of the Fast and the Furious franchise to life in a completely brand new way. So, this roller coaster is going to take over the footprint of the former Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit. So, if you've seen, like I said, social media lately, you've seen this patch of land that has been completely destroyed. They've taken out the coaster and they've got all this dirt and everything everywhere. And now we know what they are building there. And this coaster, the Fast and Furious coaster, is going to put guests directly in the driver's seat, and it's going to deliver a ride experience that is inspired by the high-speed stunts and precision driving that is seen through the Fast and Furious films. Okay, so riders are going to experience the exhilarating sensation of a 360 drifting. Hello, 360 drifting? That sounds intense. As they speed through incredible maneuvers, including a 170-foot vertical spike. And it's going to send guests nearly 17 stories down in the air over the outskirts of Universal CityWalk. Again, this sounds just incredible. I think that for those who really are coaster fans, this sounds like it's going to be just another fantastic addition by the Universal team. I mean, Universal is known for building incredible roller coasters. You've got things like Hulk, you've got things like Velocicoaster, you've got things like Stardust Racers, and they're all just incredibly intense attractions. And this sounds like it's going to be just another next level intense attraction. And I kind of go back and forth of which attraction I think is more intense, whether it's Velocicoaster or Stardust Racers. Velocicoaster, I mean, it still has my heart, but I think that Stardust Racers may actually be just a tad more intense. So let's talk about that. Let me know in the comments which coaster you actually think is the most intense at Universal Orlando. Maybe you think Hulk is the most intense. I mean, I definitely almost black out a couple times on that attraction too. So yeah, there's some definite good stuff coming from Universal Orlando Resort, and this coaster sounds like it's going to be just as fantastic. If this sounds kind of familiar to you, well, they're also building a Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift over at Universal Studios Hollywood, and that is going to debut later this year. However, it does appear that both attractions will be kind of a unique experience to each park, so they're both going to be a little bit different. Okay, so with this addition, we are going to see some subtraction, and for most people, this subtraction is a good thing. For my husband, unfortunately, which is why I have the hat, this subtraction is going to be a bad thing. So, Universal Orlando Resort is actually going to close Fast and Furious Supercharged permanently, and that is going to close in 2027. So, if you're a fan of Fast and Furious Supercharged, get those rides in now. I definitely will be, because I know that my husband is absolutely going to miss it. But like I said, most people don't really like Supercharged, and so the fact that we are losing Supercharged is not the biggest thing. Let me know, are you sad that we're going to lose Supercharged too? Because I mean, there are fans. I know, I live with one, so let me know what you think about that too. Yeah, I guess more details are going to come out about Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift over the next year, so make sure you stay tuned here at A Disney World After All. And like I said, let me know your thoughts about the coaster, about what you think about this coaster coming. Are you sad about Supercharged leaving? Just let me know everything. Let me know what you think. Also, I'm relatively new here, so make sure that you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. That would mean so very much to me. I would so very much appreciate that. And for more information about this news, visit a DisneyWorldAfterAll.com. And if you want to book a trip to Universal Orlando Resort, maybe you want to see Supercharged before it goes, my travel partner Jocelyn with the Magic for Less Travel, she would be more than happy to assist you and get you a free no obligation quote. Visit either my link in the bio or a Disney World After All for more details. And that's going to do it for this edition of the Minisodes. We'll see y'all next time. Bye!